statement mortgage loans. A bank statement mortgage loan is a type of mortgage loan that uses bank statements instead of tax returns and W-2s to determine a borrower's income. This is particularly useful for people who are self-employed or have variable income or gig workers. So if you have, say, you make $100,000 a year, but you're only claiming $30,000 a year, but you want to afford something that a person that is claiming $100,000 a year would want to purchase, then you would be a person that would be perfect for a bank statement loan. With the bank statement loan, how we determine your monthly income versus your affordability is that we're going to take at least 50% of your monthly deposits. It can be personal or business bank statements, and we can use that as your income. If you have some income that's not highly expense driven, we can even use up to 90% of the income. You have to contact us so to see how we qualify. Send us all your bank statements, business or personal, so that we can let you know how much you will qualify for and what type of what type of bank statement program will be best for you, a personal or a business. If you're someone that's a gig worker and all the money goes into your personal account, then we just use that personal account. Most of the time, you can only use one account. Some lenders allow you to use two. You can also combine your bank statement loans with W-2 income. So if you have someone who has W-2 income, a significant other, spouse, a co-signer, you can combine their W-2 income with your bank statement income. The other good reason for bank statement loans is often for investors. It's more flexible. You don't have to show that you made a profit on the property. If you show that you have enough cash flow, then that allows you to get approved for the loan. Another good reason for bank statement loans. And the rates right now, where the rates are, they're pretty competitive. Back in the past, there would be a large gap between a bank statement loan and a conforming loan. It's really not that now. The other thing about bank statement loans, it closes fast. It's still going to close within 30 days. Get us your bank statements. We'll do the calculations. You go get a property. You close just as normal. The biggest thing about bank statement loans for a lot of self-employed people, gig workers, specialty workers, contractors, it gives us more opportunities to help you with home ownership. So if you're interested, reach out to me, 678-968-0444 or 404-461-3172 or ReggieGrahamHomeLoans.com. Bye.